In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories to Google Calendar in 2025, a straightforward and effective way to organize your life. Whether you're looking to separate work, personal tasks, or any other activities, categorizing your calendar can greatly enhance your productivity. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. You can sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is where all of your calendars and options live. Look for the section labeled Other Calendars. You'll see a small plus icon next to it. Click on this icon and then select Create New Calendar from the drop-down menu. Now you're going to give your new calendar a descriptive name, something that clearly reflects the type of events it will contain, like work, personal, or errands. This clarity will help you later when you're scheduling and searching for events. Once you've named your calendar, you can go back to your main Google Calendar page. Look over to the list of calendars in the sidebar and find the new one you just created. Here's a handy personalization feature. You'll notice 3 dots next to your calendar's name. Click on them to bring up a menu where you can select a color. This color is going to represent all the events under this calendar, acting as a visual cue, so pick one that makes sense to you, a bold color for work perhaps, and something more subdued for personal time. Next, we're going to add an event to your newly created calendar. Navigate to the date and time on your calendar where you want to schedule an event and click on it to bring up the event creation window. Within this window, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Add To or Calendar with your list of calendars. Choose the appropriate calendar from this list so your event is categorized correctly. Once your event is added, you may want to color code individual events as an optional step. Double-click on an event to open its details page. Here, you'll notice a color icon that allows you to change the color for this specific event. Select a color that stands out. Remember that the original calendar color will still be there, but the event color will be more prominent. This is a great way to prioritize and visually differentiate important events. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now tailored to your needs with categories and personalized event colors. This makes managing time not only more efficient, but also visually organized. I hope this guide has helped you organize your calendar more effectively, adding a touch of personalization and clarity to your daily scheduling. Thank you for watching, and happy calendaring.